My name's Nino Augustine, aka Stone Cold Nee. I started creating music when I was about 8, and I was in Panama City, Panama. I've always been a fan of music, so I guess it was just meant for me to just create. Only positive energy.